Even as the days grow shorter and colder, the garden keeps giving. Here in the Esteelicious garden, our peppers are still standing strong. Look at these long bell peppers. Seeds that were first sown in England have found new life and strength here in Scotland. They've traveled, just like us, adapting and thriving. Despite the chill in the air, they're still ripening beautifully. The plants may be slowing down, but the fruits? They're glowing with color. Shades of green, yellow, and red, each one a sign of resilience. And right beside them are fiery bird's eye chili plants. Tiny but fierce. Their red pods glisten like little sparks of warmth against the fading leaves. These chilies add color, heat, and energy to our cold days. A little reminder that even small things can be powerful. Our garden eggs are still producing. They're smaller now, but each one is special. Let's harvest some green peppers. Now, let's open the greenhouse and take a look inside. The warmth inside is instantly comforting. You can feel the difference the moment you step in. Even in late October, this little space is still alive, full of green and full of promise. Here we have our Scotch bonnet peppers. Small but mighty, thriving in the gentle warmth of the greenhouse. They love this sheltered heat. It's their happy place. Each fruit glowing in orange and red, carrying that unmistakable Caribbean spice and aroma. We're harvesting our Shambo peppers. Just beside them is our red long bell peppers. Another warm weather favorite that continues to flourish in the calm, steady warmth of this space. It's always rewarding to see how these tropical plants find a way to adapt, even in the northern chill. And look at these yellow bell peppers. They're shining like little suns in October. Sweet, crisp, and full of light. Even when the world outside is turning gray, these colors remind us that the season still has plenty to give. Let's check on our second greenhouse. This one feels different, quieter, slower. Inside, our Ugu vines, fluted pumpkin, are still trailing gently along the supports. They're taking their time, growing at their own pace, adjusting to the cold. Even though growth is slow, they're holding on, and that's what matters. We're harvesting more Scotch bonnet peppers. Now, a little bitterleaf update. These plants don't always survive the Scottish winter outdoors, but we can still give them a chance. If you can, save the stems. Cut healthy ones and root them indoors to prepare for next season. It's one of those small acts that pays off later, patience rewarded by regrowth. That's why, in the past, we only harvested the leaves and left the stems in the soil, so we can harvest them this way. That's what gardening teaches us every season, to trust the process. Sometimes the soil looks empty, but underneath, life is preparing to return. Our October harvest is a mix of patience, warmth, and a little luck. The weather may not always cooperate, but the garden still gives what it can, generously, humbly, and beautifully. From seed to table, from England to Scotland, from summer to autumn, this journey has been full of lessons. It's a reminder that with care, creativity, and faith, growth continues in every season. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Esteelicious for more updates.